Software. Hello again, this is Greg Glemps for Doylestown Gold Exchange and Jewelers. I know you've probably seen some of our videos and you might even have been into our store and you've gotten to know some of the things that we do. We do full jewelry sales, we buy gold and silver, but one of the things that's growing pretty rapidly is investors coming into our door to purchase gold and silver. Silver seems there's more upside, people say, but one clear thing is you look at gold at $1,300 an ounce and silver at $22. If you do the math, you can see that buying one of these is going to be a little bit easier to do for some people than buying a 1 ounce of gold at this time. Silver is a way to protect your wealth. It's a way to store your money in a vehicle that will hedge against inflation and will keep the value of your dollar when you put it into this metal. I've done this before, but the one example that kind of turned the light on for me was the quarter and the dollar. Quarter from 1961, back then could buy you a gallon of gas. Now this dollar bill, if you had it in your pocket, could buy you 4 gallons of gas. That's awesome, great? And it's simple math, 4 of these in $1. Fast forward to today, if you walk into our store with gold or silver around $22 an ounce, we're going to give you basically, anywhere from $3.50 to $4 for this quarter. So with gas at $3.34, I saw at the Wawa today, you can still go out and buy a gallon of gas with this quarter that is 50 years old. Whereas that $1, if this was in your pocket for the 50 years, now can't even buy you a quarter gallon of gas. So when people talk about investing, they talk about economics, they talk about the stock market. Stock market's flying through the roof, that's great. But if you notice, everything else around you is flying through the roof. When you try to get your money out of that market, you have fees, you have taxes, and quite frankly, some of you can't even get that money out if you wanted to. It's in a 401k, it's your money, and you can't get it. So by the time that money that's in that market finally gets into your hand, tell me truthfully how much you actually earned. Did you earn 5% or did you lose 10%? It's a question you should really ask yourself, because as those things go up, don't forget about everything else going up around you. And silver is a way to make sure that this quarter, if I held out till silver was $30 an ounce, gas would probably be more, so you're going to get more for this here. So it will always buy you a gallon of gas no matter when you sell it. Now, you can look at the economics of gold, silver, our economy, the bond market, the rates, inflation, deflation, currency, devalue currency, trade, import, export, all around the world. And you could probably go search the internet and drive yourself absolutely insane, which I did. Actually, I had to stop because the more you dig, the more you don't want to know. But the main thing, and it's a basic fact, is that these are probably one of the safest vehicles for you to put your money to protect yourself down the road. Because the one thing that everybody knows, it's all about the devaluing of this $1 bill. Will it be a lot? Will it be the end of our currency? I don't know. I have people that are very smart that think this will not be our currency 5 years from now. And some people think we're going to turn the corner. But either way, diversifying and investing in silver, in the end, it won't hurt you. It can't hurt you. If you buy this, it's always going to be currency. It's always going to be 50 cents. There's always going to be some value tied to this. But if you put your paper into the market, you put it into the bank, there's risk when that money is not in your hand. So if you ever want to come down, you're thinking about buying, or you do buy, please come and check out what we can offer. We're very competitive with our prices, and our customer service is second to none. So again, visit us at DoylestownGoldExchange.com. Call us at 215-345-6630, and we look forward to talking to you about one of the most important things, and that's your future. Thank you.